Okay, so we've got a bus timetable from Harrow Lane to Cartbridge Street. Bus goes from Harrow Lane to, we just said that. The bus leaves Harrow Lane 8:02, so this bus here. What time does it arrive? At 8:50. Okay, another bus timetable. This time we're going from Cartbridge Street to Harrow Lane. Bus leaves Hampden Road at 1:29 or 13:29. So this bus here. Work out how long this bus takes to go from Hampden Road to Elm Drive. So in other words, from 13:29 to 13:43, so the difference in 43 and 29, 14 minutes. Now, part C, I'm going to talk you through how to work it out. We've got Peter lives in Harrow Lane and his grandmother lives in Swipe Crescent. So, he goes to visit her. He wants to spend 3 hours with his grandmother, but he needs to be back in Harrow Lane by 1600. So the bus back must be this one. That's the time he must be back in Harrow Lane. So I'm going to work backwards. So if he needs to be back then, he needs to get that bus. And if he gets the bus at 15:16, he wants to spend 3 hours, a minimum of 3 hours with his grandma. So that means he needs to arrive by 12:16. So in other words, 3 hours off that. So go up to the next bus timetable. Find this one here. So which bus will arrive before 12:16? Well, it's the 11:41, which means he needs to leave his house in Harrow Lane at 11:02. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I would then write that all out, because the detail's quite important. So he's leaving Harrow Lane at 11:02 to arrive at C at 11:41. So he then spends 3 hours plus at his grandma's. Then he will catch the 15:16 from detail. You've got to put all the detail in. Arriving home or arriving back in his road at Harrow Lane at 15:49, which is in time because he needs to be back for 1600. So he leaves Harrow Lane 11:02, arrives 11:41, 3 hours at grandmother's, and he catches the 15:16 back home, arriving at 15:49.